Hey guys, so we got this 2010 WM Caprice in for a head unit install. Now this customer's actually opted for the Kayhan 360 camera as well. So we've just finished installing all the cameras. So you got the reverse camera just tucked up nicely here. Going along to the passenger side, you got the left hand side mirror as well. You got the front camera. And then your driver's side mirror. Now with the 360-degree camera installed, it is a little bit tricky. You've got to take all the door cards off and find a way to route all the cameras nicely. But once it's finished, it's nice and stealth. You can't really see it too much. So I'll just do one walk around of the whole car now. So we'll just jump in and show you all how the system looks. As you can see, the WM Caprice still takes the VE Series 1 unit with the 11-inch screen. So I'll just turn the car on here.
Now you know.
Now, as you know, the WM Caprice does come with the Bose factory-fitted sound system. So it fits and works with the premium sound function with this car. So it activates the Bose amplifier that's in the back of the car and gets all your speakers and stuff running. So just from here, you've got the main home screen. As per usual, it's the V6 interface. So on your home page, you've got access to all your things like Apple CarPlay. So once you connect up your phone to the Bluetooth or Android Auto. Now with this one again, dual climate zone is definitely compatible with this car. So you got temperatures left and right, fan speed down the bottom, and then all your modes throughout the center. So we'll just get out of this screen. So you can either tap home to close the AC page, or after about 5 or 10 seconds it will manually close as well. So just going through the home screen here, we've got navigation. So navigation is just inbuilt maps, whether you've got Google Maps or Waze or whatever. You can preset that to whatever you like. Moving along to music. So with music, you've got the access for local, which is your built-in hard drive, Bluetooth music, all your favorites, USB 1 and USB 2. So USB 1 and USB 2, this unit comes with a dual port USB. So 2 ports, one's got 2 USBs, one's got a single. So in this case, the single USB port is actually being used for the DAB. But inside the glove box, he does have 2. So in the glove box, there's actually 2 USB ports and the SIM card reader as well. So we'll skip system settings for now. Application, that takes you to the app page. So from here, you got access to Play Store, which means you can download whatever application you want straight to the unit. Now it does come with a couple built-in like Spotify, Google, YouTube, Google Maps, a few other ones as well. Now another cool thing with this is this car's got OBD2. So with that, you got the Talk Pro app. So with this one, basically you can do a fault code search of the car. So if your car's got any little problems or hiccups, you can just do a fault code search, like a diagnostic system. Now from here, you've got the real-time information. So with this system, you can put on whatever gauge you want and the car will read whatever it can through the OBD. Just getting out of this page, you've got the video. So with video, that's the same as music. So you've got USB 1, USB 2. And then local, which is your built-in hard drive. Phone link I've already gone through. So phone link is your Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Swiping this way, you've got phone, which is your main Bluetooth menu. Main AM and FM radio, so plenty of presets to choose from. Google Chrome, so once you connect up to the internet, you'll be able to browse the internet and yeah, do whatever you want. AUX in, Now AVM, so that's our 360 camera. So if I click this one, it's going to bring up all the 4 cameras. So from here you can see the nice and wide front angle camera. You got a couple options, so you can go for the side view, rear view, front, rears, wide front and wide rear. Now the good thing with this is you can be driving the car, and if you want you can actually manually bring them up. So as you can see, I'm just in park now, so if we were driving, cars in drive, you can still view all the cameras. So just get out of this one. Sound effects is your built-in DSP. So basically from here you got the wide range of 2 channel 2.1, 4 channel 4.1 or 5.1 channel. EQ takes you to all your presets. So as per normal, you got all your presets for your equalizer. Fader balance, so that's where you can locate wherever you want your sound to be. DTS, so a couple different sound modes. You got cinema mode, pro mode, music mode, mono and LCRS mode. So there's plenty of stuff you can actually adjust here. So front to rear mix level, center to rear mix level, then true bass. So with true bass you can actually tweak your front speakers, rear speakers and your sub independently, and that's your level. So up, down, or your frequency. So for your front speakers you got 150 hertz, rears you got 100, and for your sub you can leave it on 40 or 60 or whatever you want. Focus, so that takes you to your height dynamics of your speakers. So from here you can just adjust all this one. That's your sound effects. So again, from your bottom left here you can access your application page quickly. DAB plus. So with the DAB plus it's got plenty of stations to choose from as well. So if you want, you can also swipe down from the top of the screen. You got Wi-Fi options, restart. So if you want to restart your unit, you can go press that button manually and give it a reboot. So I'll just turn the car on now. So from here with the car on, I'll show you how it acts when you put the car into reverse. So putting the car into reverse still automatically brings up your reverse camera, or you can manually choose your fronts or sides. Putting the car into park will bring up your front camera for a split second, and then as per usual just turn the car off, so all your steering wheel controls are fully functional as well. Volume up, volume down. Just go onto the radio here. So you got your main seek button, seek up, seek down. Yeah, that's basically it guys. So any questions just let us know and we'll help you out.